Assalamualaikum everyone. Today we are going to learn about the peritoneum and the peritoneal cavity. First of all, you need to know that peritoneum and peritoneal cavity is a very important topic, and it's also important regarding the point of view from exam. There is always SEQ and there are always MCQs which come in exam from the peritoneum, and you need to understand that peritoneum as a topic is itself very difficult topic, and it's very difficult to understand this topic even after graduating from MBBS. So you need to correct your concepts about that, and you cannot cram it until you understand it. Otherwise you are going to forget it every time you are going to cram. So this is an introduction to the peritoneum and peritoneal cavity. Just concentrate and you will be good to go, and you will learn about it. So this is a model of abdomen and pelvis right now. It's starting with, you can see these are diaphragms. After diaphragms there is liver and stomach, and here comes the small and large intestines part, and then this comes the pelvic part, where you can say there is uterus, and there are ovaries and fallopian tubes, right? So this is a whole model. What I'm going to do is that we are going to cut it vertically. When we cut it vertically like this, we get a section which looks like this. So this is a section, vertical section. After dividing it vertically, the abdomen section, we are going to get this view. Now we are starting with a vertical tracing of the peritoneum. Before starting the vertical tracing of the peritoneum, you need to know what is peritoneum. In first year, when you read about the thorax, you read two membranes that were the protective membranes. One were around the lungs, which known as the pleural membrane, and other were around the heart, that known as pericardium. So those two layers were the protective layers, right? And they were protecting the viscera. Same cases here, where a protective layer is going to come around the whole abdomen and pelvis cavity, and it will surround the whole cavity to protect the organs present in the abdomen and pelvis, and that protective layer of abdomen and pelvis is known as peritoneum. Peritoneum दो तरह की होती है. Peritoneum is divided into two types. One is parietal peritoneum and other is visceral peritoneum. This red area is all the parietal peritoneum. Parietal peritoneum is a layer which covers overall all the abdomen and not specifically any viscera. तो जो outer layer है जो पूरे abdomen को cover कर रही है, this is known as the parietal peritoneum. While visceral peritoneum, as the name shows, a layer जो inner layer होगी, that is going to cover all the visceras, that is known as visceral peritoneum. So outside all the outer cavity, generalized जो covering है peritoneum की, जो पूरे abdomen को cover कर रही है, that is parietal, while the peritoneum which is covering the viscera is known as visceral peritoneum. The red highlighted one is parietal, and the blue one is the visceral peritoneum. Now you can see that there is a potential space that is created between this parietal peritoneum and this visceral peritoneum, and that space is highlighted by this red color, right? Light red color. So the space generated between parietal and visceral peritoneum is known as cavity, and this cavity is peritoneal cavity. पेरिटोनियल कैविटी के अंदर फ्लूइड होता है जो मीजोथेलियल सेल्स प्रोड्यूस कर रहे होते हैं, एंड दैट फ्लूइड इज सीरस फ्लूइड. सो द पेरिटोनियल कैविटी क्रिएटेड बाय द स्पेस बिटवीन पेराइटल एंड विस्रल पेरिटोनियम इज कॉन्टेनिंग सीरस फ्लूइड. दिस सीरस फ्लूइड हैज many functions. So now come to the functions of the peritoneum part. Functions है peritoneum के that it gives a slippery surface to give free movement of the viscera. as it contains fluid, so it is going to provide lubrication in the abdomen and giving lubrication to the viscera to allow them to move freely. Like peristalsis, movement during respiration, and filling and evacuation of hollow viscera. Like when the food comes into the stomach, there is movement generated known as peristalsis. After peristalsis, that food will go into the small intestine and in the large intestine, and by the peristalsis movement, the defecation reflex is happening. So it is giving that free movement of the viscera. It is only possible by the peritoneum. Then second is it gives the protection of viscera. As I told you that protective layer of heart is known as pericardium and protective layer of lungs is known as pleura. Same, this is a protective layer that is protecting the viscera of the abdomen, and that is peritoneum. Peritoneum has a very famous name that you should know and never forget. It is policeman of the abdomen. Why it is policeman of the abdomen? Because it is tightly enclosing the viscera, and that's why it is preventing any sort of infection. If there is a breach of peritoneum, then person is more likely to get infection of the abdomen, and which is a serious fatal condition. So that's why peritoneum is known as policeman of the abdomen. Other functions of the peritoneum are that it gives absorption to the essential minerals, nutrients and fats that are needed for the body, and as well as acts as a dialysis. Dialysis means that it is purifying the nitrogenous substances which are harmful for the body, and also dialyzing the important nutrients. That important nutrients are going to be absorbed, while those all the toxic substances are going to be excreted in the form of defecation as well as urination, right? So it has both secretive and absorptive qualities. Other than that, it has healing power and adhesions. Healing power kaise hai? As I told you that there are mesothelial cells which are producing serous fluid in the peritoneal cavity. Those mesothelial cells also generate fibroblasts. Fibroblasts have great power of healing and giving adhesion. So other is storage of fat. As you can see, in obese person there is a lot of storage of fat that is also happening by the peritoneum. So these are the main functions of peritoneum. After the functions of peritoneum and learning about visceral, parietal peritoneum and peritoneal cavity, we are going to learn about the folds. So this is visceral peritoneum, right? This blue one is the visceral peritoneum. अब आप विस्टरल पेरिटोनियम के अंदर देख सकते हैं कि कहीं कहीं पे विस्टरल पेरिटोनियम की डबलिंग हुई है, तो वो डबल कवर कर रही है, राइट? कहीं पे सिंगल है विस्टरल पेरिटोनियम, लेकिन कहीं कहीं पे उसकी डबलिंग है. तो दिस इज बेटा स्टमक. तो अगर वो जो विस्टरल पेरिटोनियम की डबलिंग हो और स्टमक को विस्टरल पेरिटोनियम कनेक्ट कर रही हो विद द अदर ऑर्गन्स, इधर ऊपर लीवर के साथ या नीचे जो है इधर स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन के साथ, दैट इज नोन एज ओमेंटम. सो डबलिंग ऑफ विस्टरल पेरिटोनियम around stomach with other organs is called as omentum. Omentum are divided into greater omentum and lesser omentum.